I know it's sometimes nice to just let someone pamper you rather than doing it all by yourself all the time. Plus, many of you have been asking for a virtual Gua Sha facial. So breathe deeply, relax fully, and allow me to take care of you today. Hi, my love. Aw, thank you for showing up with your clean, moisturized face. You're ready for our facial. I will be using our Gua Sha Tools to help define your jawline, lift up your under chin, and relax your masseters. Are you feeling comfortable? Good. I will work on your under chin with lymphatic drainage. This is how it'll look. Like so. And at the edge by your ears, I will wiggle and drain down towards your collarbone. Okay, can you tilt up your chin slightly? Thank you. I'm just gonna place the tools right on the center below your chin. Yes, it's cooling. And I'm going to sweep out to the edge behind your ears, applying gentle acupressure. And drain down towards your collarbone. And apply acupressure to help with lymphatic drainage. Okay, second, right from the center of under your chin, lifting and shaping up, and at the edge behind your ears, applying acupressure. How's the pressure? Good. Just gonna drain down on the side of your neck, down to your collarbone. And just breathe here. And allow yourself to relax. Third, under your chin, thank you for tilting up. And we're going to sweep. And at the edge, apply acupressure to help you release tension. And sweep down from the side of your neck, down to your collarbone. And helping you release all the tightness and tension. Releasing. Now I will work on your jawline and your masseters. Like this, using the two-pronged edge. Like so. Sweep all the way up. And I will work on your masseters in 3 sections. Inner, middle, and outer. Okay. Can you bring your face to the center? Great, thank you. I will place the tools right on the side of the center of your chin and sweeping out, shaping up your jawline. And on your inner masseter here, I'm going to just apply gentle acupressure. How's the pressure? Good. I'm going to work on your middle masseter here. If it's too tender or sensitive, just let me know. Working on your outer masseter. Yes, we carry a lot of tension here. Relax your face. relax your neck and your shoulders. Second, I'm going to place them right by your side of your jawline and sweep out, lifting and shaping your jawline, and apply acupressure on your inner masseters. If you have headache, it could also be because you carry tension on your masseters. So I hope you find relief. We're going to move on to the middle of your masseters. Try to relax your jaws, relax between your brows, and moving on to your outer masseters. Great for TMJ relief if you tend to have a lot of pain or tension in your masseters. Third, great. Thank you for placing your face to the center. Thank you. I'm going to lift up your jawline here and apply acupressure on your inner masseters. When we release your masseters, your face will look more defined, because when you carry tension here, it looks more bunched up. So I'm just helping you release that bunching here. Moving to the middle of your masseters. Try to relax your neck and your shoulders. Yes, sometimes you do feel it in your neck when you release your masseters. And moving on to your outer masseters. Try to just breathe into it here. Oh, you do want more pressure? Okay, I'll apply a little bit more. How's that? Good. Releasing. Now I will use my clean hands to give you an amazing neck massage like this. So you can tilt your neck to one side. Great, thank you. Just going to gently sweep down from right behind your ears down all the way to your heart. Gently sweeping and draining. How's that pressure? Good. Can you tilt your neck to the other side? Thank you. I'm going to sweep the other side of your neck. Great for depuffing and improving blood flow. Can you bring your neck and your face to the center? Great. I will work both sides of your neck. Okay. Sweeping down. Helping you reconnect and realign with your mind, body, and spirit. Okay, just gonna sweep down your shoulder, just helping you cleanse your energy. Releasing. Thank you for cooperating with me. You're such a lovely client. Let me take a look here. If you could bring your face to the center. Good, thank you. Your jawline does look more lifted and defined. You can take a look in the mirror. Yes, that's amazing, isn't it? Here's a cup of water to help you hydrate and flush out toxins. You're welcome. If you would like more virtual facial treatments, please let me know. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day. Take care.